In this practice, you will customize the ribbon, create a custom drop-down menu, create a custom toolbar, create a custom shortcut key assignment. You will learn then to reset the interface to the default configuration. In the following task, you will customize the ribbon. First, you will create a new ribbon panel to which you will add buttons. Then, you will create a new ribbon tab to which you will add panels. Finally, you will add commands to the Quick Access toolbar. Create a new drawing based on the AutoCAD default template. In the Manage tab, Customize panel, click User Interface to open the Customize User Interface dialog box. In the Customization and All Files pane, expand the ribbon node. Right-click on the Panels node and select New Panel. Type My Panel as the panel name. In the Command List pane, click in the Search Command List field and type Circle. Drag the Circle command and drop it onto row 1, located in My Panel in the Customization and All Files list. Right-click on the row 1 and select New Subpanel. In the Command List pane, click in the Search Command List field and type Ellipse. Drag Ellipse and Ellipse Arc to the row under Subpanel 1. Right-click on the Subpanel 1 and select New Row. Search for the arc in the command list. Drag Arc and Arc Center Start Angle to the new row in Subpanel 1. In row 1, select Circle. In the Properties pane, in the Appearance area, change the button style to Large with Text Vertical. Click Apply to save the changes. In the Customizations and All Files pane, scroll up to the Ribbon node. Right-click on the Tabs node and select New Tab. Type My Tabs as the name and press Enter. Scroll down to the Panel node. Right-click on My Panel node and select Copy. Scroll up to the Tab node, right-click on the My Tab node and select Paste. Expand My Tab node and note that it now contains My Panel. In the Panel node, select the Home 2D-Draw node. And drag it to My Tab node. If required, drag the panels in the My Tab node so that My Panel is listed first. Click Apply to save changes. In the Customizations and All Files pane, expand the Workspace node and select Drafting and Annotation Default Current. In the Workspace Contents pane, expand Ribbons tab. In the Customizations and All Files pane, drag My Tab to the ribbon tabs in the Workspace Contents pane. It automatically adds to the end of the list. Move it to be directly under Home-2D. Click OK to save the changes and close the CUI dialog box. In the ribbon, select My Tab to display the tab you have created.